The SPX uptrend is testing its limits, flirting with its uptrend line, teasing traders with a potential breakdown for some bearish potential. So will we see a bearish dip over the next few days, or will the bulls charge back over 6100? Let's look at the charts. So we have this well-established uptrend. It's been going for the last, 2-3 weeks. Very clear touches. The draw of it's not too obvious because the turnaround at the bottom of that was a little bit ropey, but now it's well established. We're very firmly looking at a well-defined uptrend. Now that said, the breaks have pushed below a few times and not broken and continued bearish. We've seen those pushes through. So is this going to be just another trend line test? Will it get the bears excited? Or will we see that eventual resumption of the uptrend? I think it's going to be a bit of both. I think we will see a bearish move, which is typical from a seasonal point of view. This time of year, early mid-December, you see usually a little bit of a rest, a little bit of a bearish move. Then you get that end of or mid to end of December rally. Most people phrase it as the Santa rally. Nonetheless, these levels are very close together. I'm not sure it's going to matter which way it goes. Any bearish move, my viewpoint is still it's going to be very short-lived, probably not very deep if it does go. If it goes at all, but the resumption of that uptrend above 6100, and if we do get that bear breakdown, I'll be eyeing 60.50 as my buy zone to buy the dip in a very firm uptrend. So that's what I'll be looking for. ADD is not really giving us any clues over the bottom left here. Again, we're just meandering, plus or minus 500 levels. I want to see us get to the bearish extremes and the bullish extremes for me to confidently say, for example, we're at a bearish extreme, we're at 60.50, I'm going to be a buyer very confidently here, which is what we did on the initial turn at the middle of November. So if we can see something similar to that or similar setup, then I'll have more confidence in getting back on the horse and looking for some new entry setups after a short break that I've had over the last few days. So be ready for bearish setups below 60.80, and I'll be looking to be a buyer, very quickly if we get that bear breakdown at 60.50. And, if that doesn't happen, then I'll be bullish above 6100. So it's going to be a very easy either or scenario. And if we do get a false start and we don't get the dip, then it's going to be very quick to, kill the bear trade and flip back to the bullish trade. So don't have to worry about sitting through deep retracements with these, the tight setup coil that we've got for the moment. If you like what you heard and want to know the specific entry patterns that I'm using and the setups that I'm looking to develop my income trades on SPX, then click the link next to this video and you'll be taken to a free training that I held recently, which takes you through one of my favorite setups that I use every day and every week in the markets, looking for those entry setups. So I'll see you over on the free training when you click the link.